Hey guys, how are you doing? So welcome back to another episode of Fishing Life Awaji. So yesterday I caught a pretty rare fish around this area. Something that I've never heard of someone catching that kind of fish. And of course that was my first time to catch that fish. So this is the one. Actually I couldn't identify exactly what it is. So I uploaded on Instagram and some of my friends told me that's onibe. It's a Jewfish and the size was about over 50 centimeters. And unique part of the fish is actually they make some unique sound, especially when they are up, like And how they sound is like complaining about something. So that's why people call that fish Gucci. So the fish I caught yesterday was a much bigger version of that Gucci. I thought, at first I thought that was the big size of Gucci. I don't know, but I think they are kind of same species. But it's just about the size, normal Gucci, maybe grow up to like 40 centimeters or something like that. But the onibe, the Jewfish, they grow like up to 1.5 meters or so. So I didn't record my fishing yesterday. I really should have recorded, but people always catch big fish off record. And when camera is on, we cannot catch that much. That happens. So anyway, I'm gonna take a revenge today. So let's go. So this is the rig that I'm gonna use today. And it's exactly the same rig as yesterday. It's a combination of jigging and sabiki fishing. It's called jig sabiki. The good part of this rig is we can target 2 different type of fish in the same time. It's got 2 teasers for smaller fish and just set up the jig at the end of the rig. Okay, so now I'm at exactly the same spot as yesterday and exactly the same rig setting as yesterday. And exactly the same time as well. Okay, so let's go. And we caught that fish at the very bottom. So I only make an action at the bottom. Half bit jerk, 1 bit jerk. Fish on. Fish on. そうっぽいな。そう嘘ばっかりやね今日。 horse mackerel.